Hey guys, this is TS and today I have brought a new video, not about any releasing date of mobile or any NASA news. Today I am unboxing an amazing product. I have started with the cheapest product, and that is Boya microphone. You can see it on the screen. It is a very famous for a cheapest microphone and for starting a better YouTube channel. First of all, I will start with the features on the back. What you have written here it is, and focus in this clip on mic for smartphone, DSLR, camcorder, audio 3C, omnidirectional, high quality, low quality noise, etc. And there are some specifications you can read when you have to buy it. Now I am going to open this microphone, and here it is. Here we got a bag and fill of this microphone. You can see it is very, just what I say about this. You can see it. Okay, and anything else about it? Anything here? Yes, an audio jack for a speaker. I think there is a warranty card and a warranty, whatever say about it, notice, warning notice. You can see it. So I am going to open this. I hope this works. Here it is, and opening. This is the microphone. It's already have been putted this foam type sound, background sound blocker. It is a clip for hang with your t-shirt and etc things. It's very long at the size of it. See this is very long. The audio jack pin, and it is the, you can see it, off smartphone. Here it is, off smartphone, and Boya company name, on for camera. You can see it. Now we're going to open it. We are going to open it, and here we got a cell. When I buy this, because the shop seller said that it will make it more clear for it to record a sound. Of course, and nothing else. There's only these things and nothing. Now I'm going to give you a demo for this mic. If this really work or not. Just wait a second. Just do it by set. So guys, this is recording from my Boya microphone, and I have switched it to the off smartphone. So I am recording from smartphone. If you want to record from the camera, just switch to the camera. You can see it there. 1 minute. Here it is. You can see smartphone and camera. If you want to do with the speaker, you can do it. I have also a demo of speaker. Now I'm showing you this. This is the speaker I have bought, but not this much working speaker. And this is the audio jack for a speaker. You can see it. Now I'm going to open it. Here it is, and plugging off from the phone. Now you can see now my original voice. I have connected with the microphone. Just you have to do like this, connect like this, and connected with the mic 2. 1 minute. I think mic 1. Okay, just convert it in, just set to the camera mode. You can see it. Just switch the phone to the 1 minute. Focus. Just switch to the camera, and you can hear my voice. Just this is because we are near to it, that way it is differently speaking. So guys, this is all for you. 1 minute. So guys, this is all for today. If you guys, this is all for today. If you like this video, then share it, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.